Hey folks, it's Tony from Outrun Your Fork Personal Training. I just wanted to come at you real quick and give you guys an update on what we're doing to keep you healthy and safe. Governor Murphy announced yesterday that gyms can open at 25% capacity as long as they abide by certain safety protocols. I want to let you guys know, first off, we're not categorized as a gym. We have a different categorization, but we've been abiding by these cleaning and safety protocols set forth that Governor Murphy has for the last 6 to 12 months. In addition to that, above and beyond whatever the CDC's recommended. So their whole thing of 200 square feet for each person, we've been abiding by that, and it's been 250 plus square feet per person. We've kept the number down, so we're definitely at less than 25% capacity. We're continuing to order out to use outdoor and also virtual, so you have those options. If you don't feel safe and comfortable in a facility, we have the virtual options of one-on-one and small group personal training, in addition to outdoors, virtual, and indoors as well. So our safety protocols, you could go to our website. I'll give you the link below to directly download our cleaning and safety protocols, so you know that we're doing everything we can to keep you guys safe, and we also expect that you folks are doing everything you can to keep us safe and each other safe. So we make sure that when you walk in, you disinfect before you come in here, you sanitize your hands. We have touchless sanitizers. We have a whole protocol, a list of COVID questions that we ask you, you certify for it. So everything he asked for, we have been doing. We will continue to do it, and we continue to do more than what he asks us. We have been doing that for quite a long time. So guys, I'm really excited to have you in. I'll put that link below. You could read in detail what our safety and cleaning protocols are for you, what we're doing to keep you healthy, and what we can expect for you to do to keep us and each other healthy too. So guys, look for that link below, and I look forward to seeing you guys in here soon. Boom.